Hi, I'm Andrew Ingram, founder and president of Woodland Direct. Since 2004, we've been helping customers create amazing experiences around fire. I started Woodland Direct with the idea that we could use technology to bring fire products and expertise to customers across the nation. In doing so, we help the fireplace industry transition into a new market, the internet. We love working with fire-related products, and we work extra hard to provide you with all the information and technical advice you need to make an informed and convenient buying decision. Our nationally certified sales team is here to provide you with world-class service before and after you purchase. Since 2004, we have gained the trust of over 250 manufacturers and have helped over 500,000 customers find the right product for their homes and commercial projects. Contact us today to find out why so many customers choose Woodland Direct for their indoor and outdoor fire needs.